Hi guys, so in today's video, we will be talking about insurance, and this is all done in partnership with 50/50 Leadership. So, what is insurance? Insurance is a contract represented by a policy in which a policyholder receives financial protection and reimbursement against losses from an insurance company. So, we're going to talk about Ella for one last time, and Ella has monthly car and healthcare payments. What insurance does she need? So, in the next few slides, we will talk about car and health insurance, but we will also talk about other insurances that the average person has. So, health insurance. Health insurance covers the majority of the insured person's medical, surgical, and preventative care costs. And although the cost of health insurance is a financial burden, the potential cost of not having coverage is much higher because even a simple visit to the doctors can result in a hefty bill. So let's say you're in a room with someone and they have a stroke. Your first instinct is to call an ambulance. So you call an ambulance. And when you get your bill back, that could reach into the 10,000s or maybe even more if you don't have health insurance. So having health insurance, you are liable to get some money off of that. And that is a lot better than not having health insurance at all. So, automobile insurance or car insurance. So, you would get this if you are involved in an, or you would use, or it would come into use if you are involved in an accident and someone is injured or their vehicle is damaged, because you may be subjected to a lawsuit that could cost everything you own. So, on by law, a minimum level of automobile insurance is required in most places. Having no automobile insurance or purchasing only the minimum required coverage saves you only a tiny amount of money and puts you at risk for everything else and everything you own. So having car insurance is really important because you don't know how other people on the road are going to drive, and you want that layer of protection. And now we have homeowners insurance. So Ella had car insurance and health insurance, but depending on whether she owns a home or not, she is going to need to have homeowners insurance. And this insurance protects homeowners and their homes and possessions against theft or damage. And depending on the age of your house and the amenities it contains, the cost to replace it could be more or less than the price you paid for it. So, when you get homeowners insurance, you should be sure that the policy covers the cost of any liability for injuries that might occur on your property. The next type of insurance we will be going over is life insurance. And in exchange for your premium payments, the insurance company will pay a lump sum known as a death benefit to your beneficiaries after your death. So, in a will, your beneficiaries might be your daughter, your husband, your grandchildren, your son, your stepkids, something like that. And it protects the people that are financially dependent on you, those who would face financial hardship, like if you died. So that protects them and gives them some money in case you aren't able to provide for them anymore. And now we have long-term disability insurance. And this type of insurance reduces the risk of financial setbacks if you become disabled. And if you don't have the coverage, the period of no income could make it hard to pay your bills, support your family, and save for retirement. And it is intended to maintain income replacement if your conditions keep you out of work. So let's say you are a plumber, but you break both your arms. Then the long-term disability insurance would come in and save you from earning absolutely no money in that period of time where you're injured. An example of other insurances may be like earthquake insurance, fire insurance, flood insurance, travel insurance. So a lot of Californians would have earthquake insurance and also fire insurance. But if I lived in Florida, maybe I would have flood insurance or something like that. And thank you so much for listening, and please stay tuned for the next video.